it's time for me to find a cave and hide out. Alright, time to die instantaneously. That's cheating. Like this. No, why not? Yeah, give me this. Fuck you. What you want? What you want? Suck up. Damn, I'm almost dead already. Oh, my crack. Oh my. I can take this. Damn, dude. You little rat. You at? Let's go. Oh, I'm about to die. Fuck. Ooh, right to the jaw.
It didn't take long for Reach to fall. Our enemy was ruthless, efficient, but they weren't nearly fast enough. For you had already passed the torch, and because of you, we found Halo, unlocked its secrets, shattered our enemy's resolve. Our victory, your victory, was so close. I wish you could have lived to see it. But you belong to Reach. Your body, your armor, all burned and turned to glass. Everything. except your courage. That you gave to us. And with it, we can rebuild.
Oh, that was good. Good run through.
Cortana, all I need to know is, did we lose them?
I think we both know the answer to that.
Damn, looks good. A cool deal. Well, thanks for watching this all the way through if you did. Either way, I appreciate it. This is the end of the Halo Reach series. I might redo it again on Legendary with somebody else and co-op maybe along the way. But the next one I'm going to do is the Halo CE campaign now. And we'll see, maybe I have someone co-op or do it solo. If I do it solo, I'm doing heroic. That's just what I want. But alright, cool deal. Hope y'all take care and have a good one. Adios.